Asuntoskeittiö Vallikatu.
Yes, today is the 21st of June 2022 and we have Vallikatu. It's probably Vallikatu. I'm not sure, but I'll check it later. It's the building C staircase and we need to also get to the staircase here. And the elevator is the original ValmetSchlieren elevator here, built in 1980. It's 40 years old in 2020. 5 hours, and the C number is VS5769. Will be inspected this year in 2022.
Yeah, building 17.
Building 17?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Oh, it doesn't have memory, it's simple. Might be from the beginning of 1980 maybe.
Yeah.
But it's simple, but that didn't really need the memory, but it's nice.
Inspected by Kivais, maintained by Koni.
Very nice. Let's see the Leppävaara Alberga. Helsingin Force region uusimman linnan Finland in Espoo. That's it. Thank you very much. I'll get to the staircase E later. Because it's important. It's even more important than EP8.
That's